Howdy. Hope everyone had a solid trading day. Um, yeah, today was good. Really good. Um, uh, I think I think there's like two factors in my opinion on like what makes a trading day successful. One I think is, and the one that's honestly more important to me is that your bias is correct. Um, and the second one would be obviously like how you finish the day, profit wise, loss wise. Did you take a good loss, or a shit one? So, wanted to go over the basically how I structure my bias. So, the first thing that I think we need to look at is this, right? NQ took its low. We made a move up off that low. Now, obviously, like lower time frames, you could sneak some trades in here. So even if you look at like this, right? Fuck. SMT, 1 hour CSD, bang. This right here is giving me the confidence that we're going to draw into this and into this, right? So this, and the trades that I take are fully based on high confidence, work that 4 hour, 1 hour, move to your lower time frame. Um, and as you can see, based off of that, was this yesterday? Wednesday. And then we had, okay, right? So Wednesday's Asia, excuse me, London candle closed above here. That's telling me we should go long on NQ. Yesterday's candle closed above these two down close candles here, which is telling me, yeah, price wants to spool higher. Now today's weird. Today was the price action was not good. Um, Now objective was hit, but the first few hours of the market was rough. I feel like that 3 hour period is where people would really start to stray from their bias, start to short, even though they know that the target's 558 on NQ. Um, so for me today, I was trading during this time, but I was trading YM, right? So as soon as YM, what are we at here? As soon as this candle closes, I want to long it, right? So candle closed. We had news right at 10 a.m. And then I wanted to structure my day based on that 4 hour close. So like, where could I get an entry to trade this? So I actually moved down to the 1 minute chart on YM, and this is meanwhile this is while NQ and ES are chopping, right? And I took this 1 minute CSD. Um, I think I got in at right around here, I think. Target was actually up here, and then we just played 2R, right? So entry 353, aiming for 455, 50-point stop loss. I only took 10 micros here, so it was either make 500, lose 250, and we made 500. Now, as you can see, YM is, why is this on? YM is off a perk today, right? From when I sold, this shit is up and over 200 more points. So like just even being able to tell the difference here on which asset is stronger makes a big difference, right? Look at NQ. It's not doing much. Look at YM. This is your draw on liquidity. And we will be long biased YM until we hit this area of liquidity up here. Okay. There was no deep retracements. There was SMT between the NQ, YM. We knew it was a stronger asset, and that's why we took it. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with flipping to different assets to trade, right? Last week we traded gold instead of NQ. A couple weeks before that I traded ES instead of NQ. Today I traded YM. Last week I traded YM. And that's basically, that's fine. It's good to move in that different direction and trade something different if that's the asset that is either leading or lagging. So same case if we were shorting this, we would have shorted NQ most likely. Quick little update on the swings. BLDR, it's doing fine. MU, it's doing fine. I'm up like $4, $5 a share. MCHP is sucking balls. Nike's doing good. Billy's doing fine. Chipotle's not doing great. Roku's doing great. We hit $100 today, or 2 cents off $100 today a share. UPS sucks. WBD is doing okay. OSCR is doing great. But with that being said, yeah, I think the main thing with today's video is to be flexible with what you're trading. And I've learned this over the last year or so, is that I don't have to be an NQ every time, right? YM moves 300 points. If I catch that, obviously first that's crazy, but I don't have to be, focused on something that isn't providing that strength towards my bias. So YM was the play today, and I made $500 on it. So with that being said, that is all for today. Hope you all have a great night. Football is back, so I will be tuned into that later, and we'll catch you all tomorrow.